One of the things I absolutely believe you got to get right as a moving company is you have got to call your customer the morning of the job with a precise ETA before the expected arrival window. So for example, at Big Lick, we book 1 hour arrival windows. So like, for example, we'll book a job, we'll do an 8 to 9 a.m. arrival window when we book it, and then we tell them the team will call before 8 a.m. before the arrival window with a more precise ETA. The way to enforce and make sure your team always calls before the window, because here's what will happen. Your team will get sloppy, they'll start being a little late, they'll start calling after that window, and that's not good for you getting, 5-star reviews and excellent customer service. So we created a checklist that's digital, and one of the things is it timestamps when the guys make their ETA phone call. So it auto logs the exact time of day when they make the call, and then it logs it in the report. It's a pre-move and a post-move checklist that we have, and every single day we know exactly what time they called that customer. So we always know whether we called before the window or we were late. This is the only way I've been able to find to actually hold people accountable, because you can't lie. You can't lie with a timestamp that auto logs.